Most gut microbiome studies have been performed using stool samples, but the small intestine is of central importance to digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. The small bowel is comprised of three sections: the duodenum, and the ileum. The REIMAGINE study explores the small bowel microbiome and its roles in human health and disease. In this study, we compared the stool microbiome to those of the small intestine. We also looked at the microbial profiles of the three different segments of the small intestine. This plot shows that the beta diversity of the duodenum and stool microbiomes are very different. And we found over 2,000 microbial taxa that are different between the duodenum and stool. Therefore, the microbiome of the duodenum is very different from that of stool. Next, we looked at the segments of the small bowel and compared them to each other and to stool. This plot, comparing all three small bowel segments, shows that their microbiome beta diversity is similar. The major phyla in the microbiome of all three segments of the small bowel are similar. Next, we compared the microbiome of stool to the microbiomes of the small intestinal segments. This plot shows that the beta diversity of the three segments of the small intestine are distinct from that of stool. Significant differences were found in the relative abundances of several microbial phyla between the three small bowel segments and stool. At the family level, there were numerous differences in the microbiome profile between the stool and three small intestinal segments. We have clearly shown that the small bowel microbiome is different from that of the stool microbiome. These findings are important as we look for associations between the gut microbiome and human disease.